If you always eat cucumbers in pickles or salad, you have to try this unique recipe. Cucumber stir-fry with pork. This dish keeps the cucumber's refreshing crunch, while the pork slices are tender and flavorful. If you've never tried stir-frying cucumber, this recipe will surprise you. Let's start with the meat. Slice pork thinly. Chicken works just as well for this recipe, but today I'm using pork. To marinate, add salt, sugar, oyster sauce, starch, and cooking wine. Mix until everything is absorbed. Then add a little oil to lock in the moisture. Then set aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Now for the cucumber. Peel it first. This cucumber is a bit bumpy, but fresh from my garden, and so much tastier than store-bought. Cut the cucumber in half lengthwise, then half again. Remove the soft-seeded corn because it gets watery when stir-fried and doesn't taste as good. Slice on a diagonal. I find this shape gives the best texture. I'm adding carrot to give the dish a pop of color. I usually just slice it, but today I want to try something different. Let's see how it turns out. Here we go. These imperfect little carrot flowers make me happy, and they really brighten up the dish. We also need 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, sliced, and a bit of ginger, either in slices or thin strips. Next, let's make the sauce. Combine salt, sugar, white pepper, oyster sauce, starch, sesame oil, and water. Stir until smooth. Heat oil in a pan over medium-high. Add the marinated pork, stir-fry just until it changes color. Then remove from the pan. Add a little more oil if needed. Then saute the ginger and garlic until fragrant. Add the cucumber and carrot, stir-fry briefly. Then splash in a little water, cover, and steam for just 15 seconds to keep the crunch. Now let's return the pork to the pan and stir to combine everything. Give the sauce a quick stir, as the starch tends to sink to the bottom. Add the sauce little by little, so the flavor soaks in and it doesn't get too salty. If you're not sure, just give it a quick taste and adjust. If you want deeper color, add a splash of dark soy sauce. Stir fry until the sauce thickens and coats everything evenly, and you're done. The pork is tender, the cucumber stays crisp and refreshing, and the whole dish is light yet flavorful. I especially love making this on hot summer days when I don't have much appetite. I hope you give it a try and let me know in the comments what you think. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.